Ever get butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? Or feel that gut feeling about a decision? Well, that's not just a saying. It's your belly literally talking to your brain. This constant conversation is called the gut-brain axis, and it's one of the most exciting fields in science right now. So how does it work? Imagine your brain is the CEO in the head office. That's your central nervous system. But down in the factory floor, your gut has its own manager, a surprisingly complex network called the enteric nervous system. It's so powerful that scientists call it your second brain. These two are connected by a superhighway, the vagus nerve, which acts like a direct phone line sending messages back and forth 24/7. But they don't just use the phone. They also send emails and text messages in the form of neurotransmitters. You've heard of serotonin, the happy chemical, right? Well, surprise. About 95% of your body's serotonin is produced in your gut, not your brain. So a happy gut can literally lead to a happier you. And who's running the show in your gut? Trillions of tiny microbes, your gut microbiome. These little guys are way more than just digestive helpers. They're like tiny chemists. For example, certain bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, the good guys you find in yogurt and kimchi, can produce a chemical called GABA. GABA is like a chill pill for your brain. It helps calm you down and reduce anxiety. This connection shows up in our daily lives all the time. Think about it. When you're super stressed for an exam, you might suddenly get an upset stomach. That's your brain's stress signals messing with your gut. The reverse is also true. Eating a meal full of processed junk can leave you feeling foggy and irritable. But a gut-friendly meal with fiber and fermented foods? You might feel sharper, more focused, and in a better mood. It even affects your sleep. Poor sleep can wreck your gut microbiome. And an unhappy gut can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. It's a cycle. So how do we keep this conversation between our gut and brain a positive one? It's simpler than you think. First, feed your good gut bugs with prebiotics, things like garlic, onions, oats, and bananas. Then add more good bugs to the team with probiotics from foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Manage your stress through things like meditation or just taking a walk. And finally, prioritize getting a good night's sleep. The science is still unfolding, but one thing is crystal clear. Your gut and brain are in a deep, constant partnership. So next time you eat, remember you're not just feeding your belly, you're feeding your brain, your mood, and your entire well-being. Listen to your gut, it has a lot to say.